In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 1, exercise 9.2, circle. Observe this question. Two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the common chord. What? We are having two circles of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. We are having two circles. One circle having radius 5 centimeter. So we are assuming let OA. OA is the radius of this circle. Is what? It is given 5 centimeter. Clear? Another circle is this one. Its center is O dash and its radius is what? O dash A. O dash A equal to what? 3 centimeter. Clear? Intersect A 2 points. 2 points. Both circles are intersecting at 2 points A and B. Clear? And the distance between their centers. One circle having center O, another one having O dash. Distance between both, what? Between their center is 4 centimeter. So O dash equal to 4 centimeter. Clear? Find the length of the common chord. Both circles common chord is what? AB. We want to find length of AB. Clear? Now, three sides OA, O dash A, O dash we are having. These three sides making one triangle what? O dash A. So what we can say? Observe what we are having. OA is what? 5 centimeter. O dash A is what? This is 5 centimeter. This one is what? O dash A is 3 centimeter. And distance between both from this point to this one is what? Length of this one. Distance between their centers is what? 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Clear? Now what we want? We want length of the common chord AB we want. Clear? So once we observe this triangle, we are getting one relation. What relation we are having? O dash A square, O dash A square plus O dash square equal to what? O dash A. O dash A is what? 3 centimeter. 3 square plus O dash is what? 4 square equal to 3 square is what? 9 plus 4 square is what? 16. We are getting 25 and this can be written as what? 5 square. So finally what we can say? 5 centimeter is what? OA. So OA square. So we can say O dash A is right angled triangle. So what? O dash A is a right angled triangle and right angle at O dash and right angled at O days. Observe, we are having these three sides, and in which we are getting one relation. What? O days A square plus O days square equal to OA square. So what we can say, this triangle is what? Right angle triangle. O days A is a right angle triangle, and it is and right angled at O days. This triangle is right angled at 90 degree at O days. So this is 90 degree. O days, right angle at O days. Clear? So area of triangle O days A equal to area of triangle O days A equal to 1 upon 2 base into perpendicular. Right angled at O days. So area of this triangle will be what? Base. Base is what? Base is what? O days, and perpendicular. Perpendicular will be what? O days A. So what we can say? 1 upon 2. Area of a triangle is what? 1 upon 2 base into height. So in this triangle, this is right angled at O days. So what about the base? Base is O days, and perpendicular will be what? O days A. So we can say O days into O days A. Put the values. So we can say 1 upon 2 into O days is what? 4, and O days is what? 3. Solve this one time, 2 time, 6 centimeter square we are getting. This is the area of this right angled triangle. Clear? Now once we observe this one, then area of triangle O days can also be written as 1 upon 2 base O days into perpendicular or height. Height is what? AM. We can write like of this. Yes or no? Area of triangle we obtain 6 centimeter square, but its area can also be written as 1 upon 2 O days into AM. AM is what? Height. Clear? Now put the values. Area of a triangle O days A we obtain 6 centimeter square equal to 1 upon 2 into O days. O days is what? This is the distance between centers, 4 centimeter into AM. Solve this one time, 2 time. So what we are getting? 6 equal to 2 times of AM. Solve for AM. AM equal to 6 by 2. 1 time, 3 times, 3 centimeter. We obtain AM equal to what? AM equal to 3 centimeter. We want AB. So AB equal to what? 2 times of AM equal to what? 2 into 3. Finally we are getting 6 centimeter. So the length of the common chord AB will be what? 6 centimeter. This is the required answer we obtained. Observe again what we are doing in this question. In the question we are having two circles of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points A and B, and the distance between both the centers, distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. We want to find the length of common chord AB. So what we are doing, from given data we are observing that these sides of triangle giving what? Pythagoras theorem relation. So we can say O dash A is what? Right angle triangle, and once we do 3 square plus 4 square, we are getting 5 square. It means this is the right angle triangle and it is right angled at O days. So area of this triangle will be what? 1 upon 2 base into perpendicular, in which we are using base as a O days and perpendicular as a O days A. Then we are getting area of this triangle. Once we use area of a triangle 1 upon 2 base into height formula, and we are considering height as am, then we are getting what? Value of am. How we obtain the area of triangle? 6 centimeter square we are putting there, and over this we are having, and solving for the am we are getting 3 centimeter am, and AB is what? 2 times of AM. AB is what? 2 times of AM. So finally length of the chord will be what? 6 centimeter. This thing we obtain. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.